here's a look at how to play along with Flowers in the Window by Travis. The chords and strumming pattern here is taken from the live version they did for Absolute Radio. So we're going to start on the C over G chord. That's like a normal C chord. Third finger moved up to the low E string at the 3rd fret. Pinky finger added to the 3rd fret on the A string. Which from down, down, up. We'll then move to a C over B chord, which sounds trickier than it is. The first finger is staying where it is on the B string, the 1st fret, and the second finger just moves up a string from the D string to the 2nd fret on the A string. We're actually going to use this finger to mute the D string, so the underside of this finger is just touching the D string. And then the strumming pattern here is down, 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 down. So we C over G, down, down, up, down, 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 on that C over B. Down, down, up, change, down, 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 down. Into an A minor chord, just a standard A minor chord. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, so far from that C over G, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Quite a tricky strumming pattern. So we've got C over G, C over B, A minor. We're then going to move to a D7 chord. So we've got first finger, 1st fret of the B string, second finger, 2nd fret of the G, 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the high E, and the D string open. We're strumming down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, into an F minor chord. 1st finger bar on the 1st fret, and then 3rd finger, 3rd fret the A, pinky finger, 3rd fret the D. A lot of the time I'll actually play this with a 1st finger bar on the high G, B and E strings and grab the thumb over the top for that. But just a standard bar, it's fine. And it goes down, 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 down. So just 4 down strums there before we go to a G7 chord, which is 3rd finger, 3rd fret the low E string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret the A, 1st finger on the high E string, the 1st fret, and the rest of the strings are open. And from the F minor, we've got that down, 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 down. And then we're coming up on the G, up, down, down, down. So up, down, down, up, down, down, down. So just the F minor and G there is down, 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 up, down, down, down. And that's the whole intro and chorus actually too. So C over G, C over B, A minor, D7, G7. So slowly we have C over G, C over B, A minor, D7, F minor, G7. For the verses, we stay on that G7 chord. We'll strum down, down, up, down, down, down. And we're actually just going to stick to this strumming pattern throughout the verse. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up. To an F major 7 over C chord. That's 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A, pinky finger, 3rd fret of the D, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the G, and the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the B. We've got the high E string open too, but we're not playing that low E string. The same strumming down, down, up, down, 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 up. Back to the G7 chord, same rhythm. Into a standard A minor chord. And back to the G7 again. F major 7 over C for 2 full bars. back to that G7. And that's for the verses. So we've got that G7, F major 7 over C, G, A minor, G, F major 7, G. And we go back through the chorus. Different part of the song is the outro, the very last time through the song. We've got the chorus chord C over G, C over B, A minor, D7, then we go to the F minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single strum, C over G. So the ending there, C over G, C over B, A minor, D7, 2, 3, 4, and C over G. There's also like a slowing down at the